No, that motherfucker there. Oh, shit. Oh, boy. Oh, yeah, this shit finna get wicked, boy. Oh, shit. Bro, I'm dead. Oh, shit. You want me to flip on
No, I don't.
Yes, you do, man.
Oh! GT fam, man, welcome back to another video, man. Y'all know I done did a lot of videos of teaching somebody how to ride a dirt bike, right? All the way down to, to the top guy, Casanet. We had Phantom, we got I'm Davis, got that boy Sniper Jones, and even got my boy, the upcoming rapper, Lil Jahari, man. But today, we got a special guest, man. We got that boy.
Oh, yeah. We heavy duty. Yeah, everybody with that motherfucker. Yes, slam.
Noneck Jay and them motherfucking building today, man. Hey, y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all please hit the subscribe button, smash the like button on the video, man. Today is gonna be nothing but an epic and great content today, dog. We were supposed to been did this video like a couple months back. My boy hit me, he said, yo, trying to do the video today, let's do it, man. But big shout out to today's sponsor, man. We have Moto Option. Huge shout out to Josh, the owner, and also Nick, the marketing director, for giving me this opportunity to be a part of the team over at Moto Option. They sent me over a nice care package. First, we got the wristbands, stickers, whole bunch of those. And one of my favorites, long sleeves. Also, I definitely need it for sure. It's a book bag. Hey man, Moto Option. Then we got right here, throttle we trust, dog. Then mostly excited about, I'm a big person on like my accessories and stuff like that. So I got the gloves, we got the green joints, good quality. Ooh. You gotta understand like how excited I am to actually, be able to have a glove sponsor, dog. Y'all know them joints run 30, 40, even $60. It'll be even more depending on the brand. But y'all can get y'all some gloves over at Moto Option with a discount, leekgt at checkout. Everything, the whole site. These right here might be my favorite though, for sure. When I seen these, I had to get them. Ooh. Got the tie-dye joints, bro, with the Moto Option right here. And then the best part about the glove on the inside, you got Send It. You can't beat it, bro. And they have down the hat, tees, tanks, sweatshirt, flannels, jackets, hats, beanies, even got pants over there, man. So for all your dirt bike needs and accessories, go shop at motooption.com. Everything is linked down below. And don't forget, at checkout, use leekgt for a discount, man. It's small, but definitely a eye catcher. Also, my favorite out the whole package that they sent me, the keychain. Keychain got the red Moto Option to match the Honda and the interior on my Ram 1500. Hands down, probably my favorite joint. Outside the gloves, this is the one, man. Come on, dog. Look at that. And it's strapless. The boom with the green. Ooh, I ain't gonna lie. The green kind of look better than the tie-dye, dog. Nah, hold up. Nah, that's it. Then we got the Moto Option logo with the Send It on the inside. Yeah, these it. There's no straps. Put them on. Ready to go, dog. Now, let's get back into the video. I'll be more than proud of myself with this joint, bro. When you got the dirt bike on back of the truck, it's like you just got the biggest kahunas, you hear me? ATVs and motorized vehicles are prohibited in this area. Violators will be prosecuted. I just looked up the word prosecuted mean. Gonna take this joint right to another part, find a new location. We not doing that bit here, no sir ski. That bit needs some packing. That bit screaming. What the hell pipe you got on that bit? Hey, don't get spooked now. I see you in that bit.
Yeah, oh, you see me in that motherfucker?
Yeah, you
yeah, I was in that motherfucker.
Bro, you good, bro. You don't know how to ride.
Yeah, no, I don't know ride no dirt bikes, man. I'm waiting for to teach me how to ride a dirt bike, bro.
One time for the hood, baby. 2 times for the trench kids. 3 times for the set.
You know what I'm saying? In the building, in the motherfucking twin. What we got here today, Tony?
Hey, man, CR250 2023, man. Push start joint.
You got like manual, them motherfuckers manual?
Yeah.
Ooh. Yeah, I know, like I like got that manual motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? I got that bucket straight manual, look. The knob on that motherfucker. You know how to drive a manual?
Nah, I never drove a manual, bro.
Oh, you tripping.
You gotta get me in one, bro.
Oh yeah, I got you. I'm gonna get you right in my bucket.
I got practice.
He like, bro, fuck practice.
Oh, you got practice, bro?
You trying to be with the bros.
I'm way better. I'm way better. I'm just.
You're older than me, no duh.
She want me. She want me.
Help me wide. I don't think that bitch gonna fit. But I mean, let's see if it fit my head.
Taking that off or you keeping it on?
Just keeping it be on.
Keeping that be on.
Yeah, I mean, if that don't work.
Yeah, that
bro,
right.
you see in the mirror? Oh, boy. Oh, yeah, this shit finna get wicked, boy.
Let me strap you up, bro.
Oh, shit.
Pause.
Hey, I'm gonna do a review. Ooh, shit. Holy moly, don't. That motherfucker's on my esophagus, whatever that shit called. Took my bike. He took my bike. What the fuck?
Nervous?
Scared. Hell yeah, bro. I got a damn big ass helmet on.
That was gonna help you.
Go talk to him, Angel.
Hey, yo, Leek, you gotta know that. Look, if anybody can teach him how to responsibility is you, Lee. You got it, bro.
You said what? I'm not no pro like you, gang. You're a pro, nigga.
Nah, rap for sure a pro on this bitch.
Bro,
Oh God.
you do it in 1-2 seconds.
Bro, I got you, bro. I got dirt bikes here. Let me know whenever you're ready.
Okay, cool. Look, when I come out there, Orlando, I'm hit you up. How about that?
I'm in Orlando and Miami.
Are you being Miami? No, I don't be up. Now, Miami a little minute. I ain't gonna gap gang. But Orlando is down the street from me. You feel me? I'm in Atlanta with my boy.
Yo, Lee, have fun, brother.
You know it, Brody. All right, dog.
Yep. I don't smell like ass, dude. I know you been running in these motherfucking all that, huh? Bro, tell them how long we supposed to been did this, bro.
A minute ago, bro. I already told him months ago.
You wanna say something to the camera?
Shit, nigga, I hope I don't goddamn break the rest of my neck on this motherfucker. Shit.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Not locked, not ready for class, bro. No phones in class, bro. You never rode a dirt bike a day in your life.
Damn, my life, I ain't never rolled. I told myself, bro, I'm gonna flip over this bit easy. Damn, this not no wood, but we gonna knock it like it is, boy.
That knock on your beef, bro.
Huh?
Knock on your wood.
Bro, this nigga here is shit. Nah, that's OD right there, gang.
You got the bases right here. Got the throttle,
Okay.
boom, back brake. One of your most important joints right here, you got your clutch, bro.
That's the clutch, not the brake.
Front brake, back brake, down at the bottom, clip, boom.
Oh, okay. Front brake.
Touchy as hell, though.
Front
Front
brake.
brake touchy, bro. It's one of your most key important joints right here. your
Okay, that's clutch. You hit that down first, then you hit the pedal on the shit.
Oh, you hold this first,
okay.
then hit that.
Okay.
You go first gear.
So boom, when I first started bit up, I hit this down, right?
You gotta hold your clutch in, though.
Hold the clutch
So if
in.
you don't hold your clutch in, you gonna stall.
And then I'm gonna fuck up your clutch.
Nah, you ain't gonna fuck it up.
Shit, it way better than the car, cause on my mama, boy. A clutch in the car, boy, you fuck that shit up.
Yeah. These bikes kind of made for stuff like that.
Where is that right now? Is that neutral?
First, you can still crank the bike up like that, though.
Put that
Click it
bit
up
in.
halfway, they put it in neutral. Hey, that shit easy.
Oh, now I might be goddamn on something, you hear me? All right, so boom. First gear.
Hey, not too much throttle, though, bro. Not too much throttle. See, it's gonna stall.
Damn.
You gotta give it a little more throttle, but don't ring on it, bro. You know what I'm saying? You will be on your back. No cap. You know when you want to slow down, you know you put your clutch in. Oh yeah, we're gonna be here all day.
Yeah, bro,
We're gonna be here all day.
All right, bro, I got it. All right, boom.
Oh yeah, I'm telling you, we're gonna be here all
Oh my
day.
God, bro.
It's a fear thing.
The fear thing?
Yeah, that's all it is.
Not too much.
Not too much.
Oh. Bro, wait the fuck?
Put a clutch in. Put a clutch in. All right, press the red button.
Bro, I'm scared. Bro, what the fuck, gang? Oh my God, bro. Yo, twin, I'm about to fly this motherfucker.
Hey. Look, your kill switch. That's gonna
Okay.
kill the bike. Any gear, you can just hit that bitch, bro. Anytime you want to slow down, pull that clutch in, bro. It's like a car.
No, it's not. Yes, it is. This bitch only got 2 wheels. You might don't want to be in front.
Yeah, that's why I'm trying to put you like so you don't run into any poles and nothing, bro.
Okay. I got it. Shit.
Up.
Oh my God, bro.
Ah. Oh yeah. That boy nervous.
So do I ever go to second gear?
He's running out of speed. He keep you in first though. That's the most torqueiest gear though.
This shit scared me. I ain't gonna lie. Bro, when I feel like I would just get, I instantly move that shit, nigga. Don't even let that motherfucker just go up anymore. Cause nigga, you gonna go back more. Boy, I might lose, but I'm trying not to lose my neck today. Bro, okay, we locked.
When I told you, bro, ease off real gas. Turn that bit a little bit, yeah. Get it basic. Turkey.
Oh my God, what you having?
You gotta give it a little more gas.
I know what's wrong with it. That bitch ain't got no gas. Dead ass. You might want to tell them over. I don't think you filled them on up before we came in that bitch.
That big goo off, trust.
Nah,
you rolled before, bro.
I don't let on the clutch. Hey, you show me how to do this motherfucker.
Oh, hey.
That probably why, cause the nigga didn't show me. Nigga wanted me to get on the bike first.
You already in first.
All right, boom.
Get off the gas, go in clutch. Little gas at the same time.
Ain't no way this man just did that shit just so easy. So when you just did it like it wasn't nothing.
Don't do it like that though. Take your time.
Hell no, I ain't gonna do that. Nigga, I'm gonna fly out this motherfucker. You got insurance on this motherfucker? Nigga, what you mean, little gas? If I put more gas, I'm gonna flip out this motherfucker.
No, sit up on the front a little bit more, bro. Hey, not too.
Bro, I started hitting the gas more.
No, bro, this a little. It ease into it though, bro. Ease. It's like you letting the clutch, bro. You down there popping the clutch, bro.
Come on, Tony.
You got it, bro. Trust.
What just happened? I was hitting that motherfucker though.
You doing decent?
No, twin. I'll make sure it's not over. You scared, ain't you? No. I'm trying to get a circle around y'all.
Yeah, bro, you gotta do something. Right?
Nigga, my dumb man went far hell. Hey man, Noneck Jay, that motherfucker. Oh shit, and I just goddamn fucked it. Oh, bro, we gonna get it. Oh my God. Hey, how many times I got into that bit, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to keep on doing that motherfucker. Fuck up.
Oh, no.
You fixed on your own bike, right?
No.
Oh, we good then. Holy moly! I'm still scared though. I got that motherfucker though. I might run into your ass. Hey, my ass cracked out. I'm sorry. Oh, I got that shit though.
You gotta hit the gas, bro. You just rolling.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah, I got that motherfucker that shit. Yeah, nigga, I'm a pro this bitch now.
Get my student right. You feel me? I give him like a C+ right now.
He finna try to hit that bit.
Oh shit. I feel the breeze in this bitch, oh!
Ain't gonna lie, he riding now though.
Yeah! I got this motherfucker! No, they say back in the motherfucker.
Red button. You like it though? So you trying to get him one little nigga. Trying to get you one?
Yeah, I don't know about that. Shit, that four-wheeler motherfucker might be nice though. Rate that 1 through 10.
6.
That man done put a hole in my glove, bro.
Bruh,
That was
bruh.
there to it.
I did not do that, bro. That shit was already there, gang.
Freaky boy. Hey, look, man.
Yeah. My half crack was that?
No. You done there just rolling, bro. You ain't really like riding. You gotta be on the throttle, smooth throttle.
So that wasn't smooth when I went around?
But then it like it was going by itself. The bike can do that when you're in first gear.
Damn, that hurt my feelings. We're gonna try that bit again. Yeah.
Well, looking decent though. Okay. Now he giving it throttle. You can hear it.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
How you feel about giving this more gas?
You want me to flip out?
No, I don't.
Yes, you do,
I
twin.
don't.
Y'all don't think I'm enjoying it?
You look like you having fun, bro.
I was. As a kid, like, bro, this is my dream. Like, bro, my granddad and shit like that, bro. He could never, like, you know what I'm saying? He always wanted me to get one, but he like, you know, they shit expensive.
Yeah. Ain't gonna lie, I was fed with a silver spoon, so, you know, we have stuff like this. So I'm glad I can, you know, fulfill that childhood dream.
Oh, God. He fulfilling my childhood dream. No cap.
Shorty, you making me crash.
And I always want to drive one of these motherfuckers.
Come on, we making it happen, man. Look though, give a little more gas. Stand first though. I'm gonna let you know you can go to second.
What you gonna say? Yeah.
Click up. I'm gonna be like, click up.
As soon as you
I
start
click up.
riding, go to second. Just hit that motherfucker.
Is it cool? What the fuck?
Go. If you wanna do that, do that.
You riding around in first gear. Come on.
Hey!
Hit that bitch.
Yeah, I'm getting that shit.
Hey, go to third. Hit. You already hit third.
Oh shit. Bad idea. I'm getting it. Damn. Oh, shit. Oh. That motherfucker heavy.
It went from 6 to a 7.5 right now.
Yeah, hit. What?
For sure.
Nigga,
7. Nigga, 10s is motocross. Like, nigga, you.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Ride all the way over there.
Okay. Is he cool?
Go to third. So it
You
goes.
scared?
You believe in me?
Believe you, dog.
Twin.
All right. As long as you believe in me, I can
believe
believe
in you,
myself.
dog.
Okay, cool.
If that bitch start lifting, then.
No. We not trying to get that bitch lifted.
Don't just yoke that motherfucker.
So it
Yeah.
won't lift.
Yeah. I'm gonna ran your ass over. Oh, shit.
Square one. Square one. I felt it.
How you feel coming? Oh my God, bro. Oh shit!
Don't hit it. Ease into it, bro.
Y'all Oh, that bitch smooth though. Let me run the lap right quick.
Okay.
Bro, what is this? Yeah, alright, bye. Oh, I keep it on this time. Oh, God.
Go ahead, bro. You might as well get in that motherfucker now.
Oh, yeah, nigga. Yeah, nigga, yeah. Oh, shit. And that bitch stand on. Oh, yeah. Oh, nigga, I'm a pro at this shit now. Oh.
You fucking with it?
Oh, shit. Damn, I'm about to break my ankle with that motherfucker.
That's why I said them boots, bro.
Get that motherfucker. You got a kickstand on that bitch?
Mm-mm.
What the hell you mean?
There's that motor car bike.
Oh, boy, that bitch just been on the ankle in that motherfucker. But damn. Yeah, no, I can't go on how to be safe with them motherfucker. Hell no.
Oh, yeah,
They gonna catch my ass.
Boy, they gonna catch you, boy.
You think so?
For sure. They gonna scare you, bro.
I think you're gonna get away.
Yeah, I was getting the fuck on, boy. I'm getting the fuck on, boy, every time, nigga. My hand crimping out like a motherfucker.
Oh, yeah, boy, getting arm pump. That's what that shit called.
No, nigga, that shit, cuz.
Playing with the clutch. Yeah.
I'm gonna give you a 10. I ain't gonna hold you because you really just did this shit like 20 minutes for real.
Yeah.
How long do it usually take niggas to like?
Hey, I done had it, I ain't gonna lie, I done had my partner, but I'm talking about boy stalled so crazy. I'm
No, for
talking
real?
about like 40
That bitch in
times.
the L.
No.
Oh, that too, damn.
About quack ass.
I'm talking about lift my bike up, broke my exhaust and everything.
No, and I didn't break it?
Let that bitch go.
Bro, how you didn't let a nigga with no neck not break your shit before a nigga with a neck, bro? Come on now, I'm telling you, bro.
Come on, bro.
I'm different, nigga.
Got my boy Noneck Jay in this
Oh, that boy got me in that motherfucker.
That 250, get on that bitch, man.
He said get on that motherfucker.
Get on that bitch.
Oh, get on that motherfucker. It's a neutral. Oh, shit. We got that. Oh, damn. No, we good. Good. No, we not good. But you got it. My bad.
You big class right, bro.
Man, no, that get the motherfucker. Hey, bro, make sure I sub to my boy. I've been watching my boy since I was a kid, twin. They that.
Cap.
Twin. I done seen it all, twin. You was in the hood fixing on his mom. Nigga, I seen nigga you in the garage. But dream come true, you feel me? Keep doing what you gotta do in life, you know what I'm saying? Keep being yourself, you feel me? Put God first. Everything gonna be alright, just like I did, you know what I'm saying? No, that get them motherfucker.
Y'all new to the channel, man, subscribe. We almost at 160,000, man. Please smash that like button.
Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe on my video. See how this? No.
Nah, I can't. We in it, but we ain't going nowhere.
One more check. You can't get him motherfucker.
You know what I'm saying? Like, my fault, bro. Gotta get you right, bro. No, I'm not, bro. I wasn't trying to be funny, bro. Shout out to my cameraman. Hey.
Y'all, hey, look. I ain't gonna do that. I'm gonna let them have it. I ain't gonna do that.
So look, y'all know y'all be in my comments, right?
ain't
What
gonna
song
do
is that? What song is that? What song is that? I be like unreleased. Or I seen the Apple link. Lil Jahari on all
Y'all
platforms.
be checking for me.
It's him,
Y'all
bro.
be checking for me, man.
Hey.
Tap in with me then, man. Show me some love, baby.
Everything is already linked down below with his Apple and all this stuff. Latest album is linked down below. Hey, go to the nigga Instagram thing right now and tell him drop that music, bro.
I need the support, man. I need to feel like something, man. You know what I'm saying?
I see it in the video. The dude is hard, bro. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Almost at 200,000. We right there at 160K. I love y'all, man. Make sure y'all please smash that like button. We gonna continue to go up, continue to go crazy.
Keep God first, man.
Hey, I was just about to say that in Jesus' name, bro. We out of here.